Oh, hello there. How's it going? I live on the east coast of Canada and we get tons of snow, especially during this time of the year. But if you're like me, you have that itch that you want to go out, take some photographs, and the weather is not cooperating, I'm going to show you some recipes that work out the best for me, especially on a snowy day like this. Those recipes I have programmed on the 7 custom recipe banks in my Fujifilm X106 camera, and I'm gonna take some photos of that abandoned warehouse behind me. This is gonna be a short video because I'm starting to feel cold and I wanna go inside and get some hot chocolate. First things first, make sure you're dressed appropriately for the weather. I don't want you to catch cold, especially in a godforsaken weather like this. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so I was able to take some photos, but before calling it quits and going back home, I spotted few containers behind me, and one of the containers is blue colored, and I feel like based on the recipes that I have in my camera, that blue color is really going to stand out, especially in this snowy environment here. So I'm gonna head back over there and take some more photos. So I got what I needed. I'm gonna go head back, get some hot chocolate, and get warm. If you have any recipe recommendations that work out for you on a snowy day like this, put them in the comments down below and I would love to see those. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay warm and take care. Bye.